Can you remember a time when you were dreaming about something? Maybe a new car, a promotion at work, moving into a nicer house, or getting a date with that perfect someone? Do you remember thinking about how happy you would be? And then when you finally got it, that happiness boost didn't last that long or wasn't as intense as you'd imagined? Most of us have experienced this before, so what's this about? If you think about it, it's like we're constantly chasing rainbows. Two psychologists, Brickman and Campbell, first published about this concept in 1971. It was later called the Hedonic Treadmill by Michael Eysenck in the 90s. The Hedonic Treadmill states that regardless of what happens to someone, their level of happiness will return to their baseline after the event. Studies have focused on how people tend to overestimate the impact of events. Some familiar events or actions would include elections, romance, sporting events, weight loss, college tests, medical tests, insults. At work, you must be aware of this, so you can grow your skills to lead yourself and others when there is a tendency to gravitate back to our basic level of happiness. Some common events at work where impacts may be overestimated would be bonus plans, rewards and recognition, economic swings, promotions. There are 4 things you can do to make sure that people remain motivated and essentially jump off the hedonic treadmill. They include help others, be grateful, mix it up, provide meaningful work. Be conscious of how your efforts and how you communicate and motivate others at work and home need to constantly evolve and change. Discuss the hedonic treadmill concept with those you work with so everyone understands that obtaining happiness through things is short-lived. Happiness requires something to happen. A better pursuit would be to seek fulfillment, which is the result of living a life focused on the 4 items previously mentioned. Look at the company's strategy whiteboard and review your personal whiteboard. Is there alignment between your personal cause and pursuits and the company's cause and intention? If so, you will derive meaning from your work and will likely have sustained motivation. Each night when you go into the growth section of the personal whiteboard, write in your journal how you helped others and the things you were grateful for that day.